Now we will proceed into the last 2 rounds. Start by chaining 1, then single crochet into the next stitch. Attach a stitch marker into the first stitch. Next, single crochet into the chain space. Single crochet in all stitches around. You will end the row with a single crochet into the chain space. Now remove the stitch marker and slip stitch into the first stitch. Next, we will proceed into the 18th round. Chain 1 and single crochet until the end of the round. Remove the stitch marker and slip stitch into the first stitch. Now we're finished with the body of the bag. Next, we're going to make the straps. Count up to the 33rd stitch and attach a stitch marker. Next, chain the desired length for the straps. I like the straps to be on the shorter side, so I ended up chaining a total of 100 centimeters. Before slip stitching into the 33rd stitch, make sure that the chain stitches are not twisted. Now slip stitch into the 33rd stitch. Insert the hook in between the 17th and 18th row and then slip stitch. Rotate the bag to slip stitch into the straps. Insert the crochet hook into the first chain stitch and slip stitch as usual. Slip stitch until the end. When you have reached the end, slip stitch into the last stitch as well as the 33rd stitch. pull the hook and leave about 15 centimeters of a tail. Cut the yarn, then pull the yarn through. Next, weave in the ends with a darning needle. Trim off the excess yarn and we are finished with the bag. Next, we are going to block the bag with steam to help improve its shape. Lay the bag over a cushioned surface and pin the edges in place. Next, run the steamer along the bag. If you don't have a steamer, you can lay a piece of dampened towel and press it with an iron at a 3-second interval. Remove the pins and steam over the straps as well. Steaming will help to relax the stitches and make the straps a lot less stiff.